In this tutorial, we'll learn more about the weight of an object and the equation of weight, and we'll talk more about acceleration due to gravity. The weight of an object is the force that acts on it because of gravity. Also, it is called the gravitational force. Now, the weight equation. In the picture, we have a ball falling. Here, the only force acting on it is the weight. We call this a free fall. We know the force equation, F equals m times a. Here the force is the weight, and the acceleration due to gravity is g. So we can rearrange the equation to be as follows. The weight W in newtons equals the mass of object in kilograms times the acceleration due to gravity in meter per second square. W equals mg. Now, based on the equation, we can say that the weight depends on gravity. This means that the weight of an object will differ from one planet to another. Let's move on to rearranging the weight equation. We do that using the triangle method. In the triangle, we have three parts. We have the weight, mass, and the gravity, g. Now, if we want the weight equation, it is equal to m times g. If you want to get the mass equation, it will be m equals w over g. And finally, the acceleration due to gravity g is equal to w over m. This will make it easier to memorize these equations. W equals mg, m equals w over g, and g equals w over m. The acceleration due to gravity, g. The value of g depends on how strong a planet's gravity is. Objects on Earth accelerate at about 9.8 meters per second square, while objects on Moon accelerate at about 1.6 meters per second square. Gravity on Earth is larger than the gravity on Moon. So basically, the numerical value of g is a measure of how strong the gravitational pull on an object is. We can also call it the gravitational field strength. The unit of g is Newton per kilogram, the gravitational force per unit mass.